Hello everybody, I have a chalk drawing to share with you today. We are doing our geology unit and we're finding a lot of inspiration for this unit in this book by Barbara Taylor called Mountains and Volcanoes. And today we are going to be doing the different layers of the earth in a chalk drawing, and we're using that picture as inspiration. So I'm working on my large 4x6 slate chalkboard. It's a mobile chalkboard and it's kind of starting to lose some of its texture, and so I'm going to have kind of trouble doing these chalk drawings on this chalkboard. I'm using Sargent Art square pastel chalks. They're really vibrant, beautiful pastel chalk, but you're not going to be able to see how vibrant they are because a lot of the color isn't going to be able to stick on our slate chalkboard because there's just not enough friction anymore. Now, I had a lot of trouble trying to get the different layers to look right. The earth it's looking more oblong than circular, or spherical rather, and I didn't show you all the different struggles I had. I think I erased this drawing about 5 or 6 times before I finally just said this is just going to be good enough. I didn't really like the finished chalk drawing, and I think I'm going to have the kids just copy out of the book rather than out of the chalk drawing on the board. Although they're just fabulously supportive and they pretty much like anything that I put on the chalkboard. They're really wonderful kids. Alright, so I'm just going to finish coloring in the different layers of the earth, and then I'm going to label it all, and then of course give the exterior that planet look with the blue and the green and the white for the polar caps. Now I just want to point out that this is not a typical Waldorf lesson. We are doing geology, whereas in the Waldorf lesson block for 6th grade from the live education curriculum, they have mineralogy and not geology. So I just want to point out, even though we're doing a chalk drawing and this is going to go on a main lesson book, it's not a typical Waldorf lesson. Alright, so I think that you can see here that our Earth does not look spherical at all. But if you want to see some of the other projects that we've done for our geology unit, you can click here for that. And of course, you can check out more pictures and our complete geology unit on my website at pepperandpine.com.